Hey guys, it's Travis, or Deadpool 1056. Deadpool likes chimichangas 548. My name's getting messed up today. Today we're talking about three things. First off, this, which has been on my channel, the 2mm Colibri. Bam, 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 bam. My scar, which has just got fixed. And AR-15 controversy. I've seen this all over the internet with the Nevada shooting and the Texas shooting. And why ban AR-15s? Full automatic AR-15s weren't used. Banning AR-15s just gets a lot of angry Americans. So I don't have a real AR-15 or an airsoft 15. I just have an electronic AR-15 here. But this AR-15, they used a bump stock. The guy used a bump stock to simulate fully automatic fire. Now this one obviously simulates fully automatic fire already. Now that's kind of toyish, and this is more realistic. And also, all you people who think AR stands for assault rifle, it doesn't. It stands for Armor Light. It's the company who makes AR-15s. Fortnite. Go check it out. Anyway, I'm tired of people thinking the AR-15's bad. Screw you, government. These guns should not be banned. The accessories used to simulate fully automatic fire should be banned. That's pretty simple. And anyone can go make an AR-15 themselves without even buying it Without even buying it. All they need is a few things to make one. Now, you can buy every part besides the lower receiver without a background check. I'm gonna shoot you in the face. This is loaded. On him! On him! Bye! I'm gonna kill her. But AR-15 controversy is stupid. Like, ban the products. Get out of my room. I'm gonna hit you in the face. I will hit you in the face if you don't leave me alone. I'm tempted to go make my video outside. But anyways, AR-15 controversy is stupid. When the products that they used in the Nevada shooting should be banned. The bump stock. And I was talking about before she rudely interrupted me. Anyone could go make an AR-15 for not much. A lot less than an actual AR-15 costs. You don't even need background checks to buy everything. You need a background check to buy an actual AR-15. The only thing you need a background check is the lower receiver. But you could easily just, buy a aluminum in a simulation aluminum lower receiver. So it doesn't have like the parts and the trigger and the mag release, but you could easily get that made, have that made by a gunsmith. I think, if your gunsmith's nice. I'm pretty sure it'll still charge you for background checks. Or you can get it in a, you can make them with an aluminum, like Ghost Gunner. It's called the Ghost Gunner aluminum. Go check out how to make a intraceable ghost gun by Wired if you want to get all into that. But yeah, anyone can make an AR-15 rifle for a lot less than an actual AR-15 costs. I know several people who own an actual AR-15 exactly like this, except not green and electronic. But I'm sick of the AR-15 controversy. Please stop it. And I'm pretty sure any of you gun enthusiasts have seen the NRA commercial where the government's putting up the biggest, scariest guns they can find. But instead of banning them, they ban the AR-15s. That's stupid. Anyway, that's all for the AR-15 controversy. Next, what is this gun and why don't I have a video on it? Well, here's my video on it. I should have made a video on it a long time ago. I tried, but that upload failed. Yeah, thanks YouTube. Basically all it is a 2mm Colibri, and you can see how to make this at my different usernames video. He's a Lego gun channel who's awesome. That gun is also in Battlefield 1. Now, scars. My scar is sick. Now, I already did a video on this, but I got it to work, so it now will fire BBs, and in a later video, probably like in an hour after this one's posted, I'll do a shooting test. Yeah, but all I really want to talk about is when I'm doing the video of this. I'll review it, and I'll do my own how to build it. I'm not going to do how to build it. I'm just going to show you the parts you're going to need to build it. And it's quite simple. I'll just show you the inside of it. Now there's two parts that you'll need that aren't Lego pieces, and one of those parts I don't have. So anyway, front of the gun, you see that's trigger mechanism, and you need to put a spring here, and then here's the side. That's a rubber band, by the way. But here, just get a brief glimpse of it and see all the parts you'll need. A piece, by the way, this is one of these pieces. It's one of those, like, it's one of these, if you're wondering. Quite simple. Oh, frick. Dang it. My God. Oh my freaking God. Oh my freaking God. Oh my freaking God. Oh my freaking God. I wish I didn't do that. I wish I didn't do that. I wish I didn't do that. And I wish I didn't do that. I don't have a magazine for it currently because I'm too lazy to go build one, but you can go check out my different username video on how to build a magazine for this gun. It's not hard at all. It's simpler than most things on the internet right about now. But it is a pretty old video, so you might have a hard time finding it. Oh, P.S. if you're wondering what rubber band I'm using one of those loom bands. Yeah, those were a thing back then. I'm sure no kids, no newer kids know what those still are. See, I'm a 12, 13-year-old kid, and all the 9-year-olds and 5-year-olds have no idea what those are, probably. Yeah. 2mm Colibri. This one is not built entirely from Madoons. That's the acronym for my different username. They're not entirely the same as his video because I didn't have the parts he had. But that's really all I wanted to share with you guys today. I gotta get going. Make sure you guys subscribe. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe down below for more. See you later. Bye. That's the bro fist.